All right, today's Saturday. Come to the beach and you think, I'm gonna get some sun on the sand, and you will get a sunburn on a foggy day like this. Right out there just past those cars is that's the ocean. The Gulf of America. So when you come down here, if you're not used to being around and you think, oh, it's foggy, I don't need any sunscreen, you definitely need sunscreen, because these little particles of water, they act like little tiny magnifying glasses and you will get burned up. So get your sunblock on. Let's see. Oh, we got a big tent thing going on down here. Must be a party.